Hi everybody! Today we are going to edit this landscape picture in Adobe Lightroom. We are going to use the basic tools, but also we're gonna use the new masking system of Lightroom. We are in the develop module, and the first thing that we are going to do is check the histogram. What is happening with this histogram? This histogram has the shape of a bell. The idea is that this histogram do not have enough dark tones and do not have enough light tones. This picture was taken with a Canon Power Shot, and this is a compact camera that gives us frequently this kind of low contrast result. So we are going to move the sliders on blacks, and you can see the movement toward the blacks, toward the left side of the histogram, and we are going to enhance to the highlights in order to have a better contrast. You know that is much better than the beginning. And now we are going to move the exposure slider to the left and to the right to obtain the best result. This is the best correction for me. Well, and now we are going to crop the image because this image is intended to be used in Instagram. So we select a square shape and 1x1 shape, and we move this frame. We can press the key L in order to dim the interface and see the picture, and well, this is the crop that I like. And now we are going to set up the white balance. Of course, there are many white balances that you can select. You can press auto, you can press shade, for example, many white balances, but the best way to obtain a good white balance is to use the white balance selector. So we are going to take this eyedropper, go to 100% zoom, and we are going to press into a stone that I remember that is gray. This is a good result for me. This is the correct white balance. And now we are going to work with the local correction tools. We go to masks, add new mask, and we are going to select a radial gradient, dragging the mouse into the image, and in this window we see a mask. The part who is with a green overlay is the part of a picture who is going to be corrected. It's very useful. We are going to correct this side of a house. Okay, we turn off the overlay and we reduce exposure, we reduce highlights, and also we can move the color. We can make a warmer correction in this part. You see, it's okay. Well, and we are going to enhance right now the front of the house with another radial gradient. We make the correction here, we put the radial gradient here, we can select the feather of the gradient, the imprecision of the gradient, and we are going to have more exposure, more highlights, more texture, and more sharpness in this zone. I move the slider of highlights, the slider of exposure, you know, and there is a better representation of a cubic shape of a house. Now we are going to select another mask, in this case a linear gradient. We draw here, you see, showing the overlay, the zone that is going to be correct, and in this gradient we are going to reduce the sharpness in order to produce an out of focus effect. You see, at an extreme I do not need this kind of out of focusing. It's okay. So we are going to extend it to have a more natural aspect. We reduce texture, clarity, and we can do the opposite of the haze. We can add a little haze. We reduce exposure, and it's okay. It's a good correction for this lower part of the image. We press down and we go to now to effects. In effects, we can select a post-crop vignetting as a vignette around the image, this way. Okay, it is an overall image, and now we are going to do another mask with another radial gradient in order to darken the wood. In this case, we are going to invert the mask 4, and the correction is going to happen here in the surroundings of the house, not in the house in itself. See the mask here. That's okay? Well, and we are going to reduce the exposure around the house, and we are going to make a little colder the surroundings of the house. It's a little bit only to have a better effect. So we press down, and we have our image ready to be uploaded to Instagram. You liked this video? Send us a thumbs up. See you later!